and welcome back to Choco Kids Little Chef. Today we have a very special boy. Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
Ethan.
Ethan, how old are you?
8.
8 years old.
Yeah.
Wonderful. And Ethan, we made your 8th birthday cake.
Yeah.
It was a cricket themed cake. You loved it, isn't it?
Yeah.
I love making it. That picture of you
Yeah.
batting with all the gear, superb. It was really nice.
Thank you.
Yeah, Ethan, so what are we going to do today? Do you know?
Make cake pops.
Yes, we're going to make cake pops. So before we actually start the recipe, let's tell our viewers what are the ingredients that we're going to use.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have cake sponge here, which is basically a baked sheet of sponge. It's a chocolate sponge. We have some chocolate. We have in 2 bowls here. If you notice, we have a bigger bowl with a lot more chocolate and a smaller bowl with little chocolate. Now this chocolate is going to be melted and added into the cake pop mix that we're going to make, and this is for coating the cake pop. Then we have some ganache. This ganache we have used in different recipes in our previous episodes as well, and you will see the link of those previous episodes in our comments. We also have some Nutella. Okay, this is basically going to add a lot of flavor. Yeah, Ethan, yes, you like Nutella?
Yeah.
Yes, and we have some sprinklers because we're going to create some magic on top of the cake pop. So, Ethan, are you ready?
Yes.
All right. So first thing I want you to do is just crumble the sponge, make like total chura, remove all your takat and make it like a complete, make sure that it is really crumbled. We don't want any big pieces of sponge.
Yeah.
Okay, just crush it down to the bottom. Yeah, okay. So what we are going to do is, we will add the ganache and we will add the Nutella. And this chocolate, I'm just going to melt it and bring it for you and add it into this, okay? Alright. So the chocolate is already melted.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you add this chocolate into the cake mix?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, you are a lefty. I forgot. Yeah. Just add that. Let me hold this for you so you can add it. Yeah. So we add this chocolate, Nutella and ganache and all so that the cake mix can be made into a laddu. So it stays, it gets the consistency that it needs. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me remove the leftover chocolate here.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Next you can add the ganache.
Yes.
Can you add the ganache? Yeah, I'll hold this for you. Yeah. So ganache is made with chocolate and cream, equal parts of chocolate and equal parts of Amul fresh cream. All you need to do is boil the cream and add chopped chocolate in it and then allow it to sit. You can increase the consistency of the ganache to make it watery by adding some milk if you want. But the one which we are using in this recipe is the one which is the thick kind of ganache because we want it to bind together the entire mawa. Okay, so this is the entire mix that we made. Okay, next you add the Nutella. Yummy, yummy Nutella, isn't it?
Yeah.
So do you think this is an easy recipe or?
Easy.
Easy, no?
Yeah.
So far at least easy, isn't it? When you have to make the laddus, we'll see.
Yeah.
Now bring it all together. Can you mix everything together? Just put everything inside and mix it together. Yeah. First take all the chocolate sponge that is there with it and make it like a dough. It will become like a dough so that you can make small balls out of it. Okay. You can use this spatula to remove whatever is in your hand. It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
To feel all the chocolate in your hands.
Yeah.
Do you need help from me?
Yeah.
Okay, let me do that. Okay. Does this look okay to you?
Yeah.
So as you can see here, we have already made a mix. It's become like a batter. We just are going to leave it in the fridge for a little while to set. Okay, so we have kept this in the fridge.
Yeah.
And it is, as you can see, it's become a little stiff. Okay.
Yeah.
So now you make laddus out of this. So let me show you. Wait, I'll show you one and then you can do it. Okay. So take a little bit of this atta like this. Okay.
Yeah.
First you do this. Okay.
Yeah.
Squeeze it together.
Yeah.
Okay. Then last only once, kind of bring it all together. Don't do too much of this, then it will not stick. Okay. This is the size of laddu that we have to make. Okay.
Yeah.
So you viewers, if you feel that it is not coming together, you can add a little more of chocolate and leave it in the fridge to set a little more. because of the current summer situation, the chocolate might be melting and therefore you might not be able to get it like a laddu like this. Okay, yeah, go ahead. Now show me more. And in our recipe, what we are going to make is around 10 to 12 cake pops. Depending on how big you make, you might get more. So take a little more of the atta. Use both your hands. Use both your hands. So squeeze it together. Yes. Bas. Now make a little bit of a laddu shape. Yeah, very nice. See, you picked it up so well. Brilliant. Okay. Let us see if it looks like a laddu. Of course it does. Okay, so our laddus are made. Now what we are going to do is leave these laddus inside the fridge to set again. Okay, so let's wash our hands and put this in the fridge.
Yeah.
And then we've got some melted chocolate. But while this is in the fridge, we are going to do rapid fire. Let's go. So Ethan, what do you like? Chocolate or vanilla?
Vanilla.
Vanilla, really? Okay, very rare to hear a kid say vanilla. And do you do anything in the kitchen at home?
Yeah.
What do you do?
I bake some things and make some things with my own ideas.
In your own ideas?
Yeah.
With whom do you do that?
With my sister, sometimes only. Sometimes I make coffee alone and all.
Really?
Yeah.
So proud of you. You can make your own coffee. Very
Yeah.
nice. Very nice, Ethan. So Ethan, tell me one thing. What is it, that one food that you really like? Something that you really enjoy eating?
Pizza.
Pizza. Nice. Okay. And in sweets, what do you like?
Kaju Katri.
Kaju Katri. You don't like cake. You don't like ice cream. All that you don't like. Oh, okay. So did you really enjoy so far what we have done with
Yeah.
what was the most fun bit?
That smashing the cake.
Smashing the cake is fun, isn't it? And even making the laddus
Yeah.
was fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, so if you had to make something special, okay, first whom will you make it for and what will you make? And it has to be a sweet thing, okay? Or the today's cake pops that we are making also, if you had to make it at home for somebody, whom would you make it for?
For my mother or father,
Hmm.
like coffee.
And if you had to make some really nice sweet thing, okay, then what will you make?
Chocolate.
Chocolate you'll make, okay.
Like mug cake and chocolate.
Mug cake and chocolate. Yes, that's a very nice idea. Okay. So very happy to have you here, Ethan.
Yeah.
Are you ready to dip your chocolate balls that we've made into the chocolate and make it into a cake pop?
Yeah.
Very exciting, isn't
Yeah.
it? Yes, let's get started. So it was in the freezer and it is now set. Now what we'll do is we'll take our lollipop stick.
Yeah.
Okay. First dip it in chocolate. This is the melted chocolate. You remember we had two
Yeah.
bowls. So this is the chocolate that we have melted in the microwave. Now once you've got a little chocolate on it, I'll show you one and then you can do the rest. Hold the laddu in your hand and then pierce it. Okay, inside it.
Yeah.
Okay, like this. Okay. Once it's done like this, then you leave it in this to allow it to just set a little bit. Okay, then we will dip it. Here you go. Come on. So there are two parts to the lollipop stick. One side will have holes like this, as you can see. The other side will be plain. So always use the one with the holes because then the chocolate goes inside and it makes sure. So first dip it in chocolate. Nicely. Yes. Now take the laddu and pierce it inside that. Yes. Well done. Okay. Just hold it for a minute for it to settle over there and then put it in the glass. Yes. Yeah. So we put the lollipop stick.
Yeah.
Okay, now we will take it in our hand and using the spatula, we will just keep on. First, you can just pour it like this, dip it and take it out very slowly because the moment you put it inside that, it will tend to lose. So you can just use this, okay,
Yeah.
and add chocolate on top.
Yeah.
Okay, see how I'm using the spatula to add the chocolate on top.
Yeah.
Okay, allow it to just settle on top. Now my tip is that use a plate below or maybe a butter paper or something because if the chocolate drips then it will drip inside the plate only. Okay, so don't dip the cake pop directly into the chocolate because it will fall down. Okay, so we've just added little chocolate. Now do you want to put some sprinklers on top of this for me?
Yeah.
Yeah, put some sprinklers. And the next three you are going to make. Okay, brilliant. So the tip is also to remember that when the chocolate is not yet set, you add the sprinklers so that it will attach to the chocolate. Otherwise what will happen is that it will come off. Okay. Now as you can see this side the chocolate is already starting to set. Okay. So we made our first cake pop. Okay. Now you are going to try with the next one. Come this side. Yeah. I'll hold it for you. You can put the chocolate. Yes. That's nice. all around. Yes, just pour it on top of it. Yes, that's nice. A lot more chocolate. Yeah, 2-3 times like that on all sides, and you would have covered your cake pop completely. Yeah, brilliant. Now let's add the sprinklers quickly before the chocolate sets. Yeah, well done. Have you got sprinklers all around?
Yeah.
Yeah. One more cake pop done.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Now let's start with the next one. Ethan's made some amazing cake pops. We have 4 cake pops ready. So we are going to quickly wash our hands and then we will be ready for the taste test. Let's go. Alright Ethan,
Yeah.
our cake pops are set and ready.
Yeah.
You just told me that before you came here you were playing cricket and you were 102
Yeah.
not out.
Yeah.
Okay, so that deserves a treat. And so now you're going to taste the cake pops made by you and tell us how they are. Okay, so go ahead. Okay, make sure that when you're eating it, it might crumble, so hold your hand. How is it? Superb, isn't it? Really enjoyed it. Is it a treat worth 102 not out? Yes? So can we do a high five on that? Fantastic. Alright, so if you had to rate this out of 10?
100.
100 or 102 not out, what will you rate it? Yeah? Well done Ethan. So once again, a high five for you. Thank you so much for coming and being a part of Choco Kids Little Chef. So if you're watching this episode, a very simple recipe for all your kids. The recipe will be put in the comments and do subscribe to our channel Choco Kids Little Chef.